You like that guy? Well, here he comes. Do you want to come back to Michigan with me? You can live in my pond. We'd let you live in the pond. We'd take care of you. We'd give you a name. We keep other animals away from you. I bet there's some good fish for you down there. I think that's a pretty fern too. Yes. There's something to eat on that. Are you a vegetarian? Peekaboo.
Just stare for a couple minutes.
Peekaboo.
Wait for something to go by.
I think there's going to be a fish for you. Is there a fish down there for you? You are one patient bird. Look at that pretty purple flower. I bet there's a fish by that flower. Are you trying to hide?
Something go over the surface of the water on the right side.
All right, goodbye.